Welcome to Myaccountant. In this video, I'll show you how to complete BEAM registration. You need to register with BEAM before you can start using superannuation clearinghouse services. In the side menu, go to Integrations, click on Register, click on Start. Your details will be pre-filled from the information in Myaccountant. It's important that you check all your details are correct, including your ABN, registered business address, and contact details. Scroll down to the page, then click on Next. When you click on Next and nothing happens, please go to your settings and check that you have completed your bank details. I'll cancel. And I'll go to Settings, Bank Details. Please ensure you have completed your bank details. Now let's go and continue with BEAM registration. Step 2 is about payment details. BEAM offers multiple payment methods, including EFT, BPay, and direct debit. Your bank details will be automatically pre-filled. If you want to remove or add another bank details for direct debit, click on Add Another. Then click on Next. You will need to select at least one super fund as your default fund. If you do not have a default fund, and if you'd like to use Australian Retirement Trust as your default fund, click on the Select Australian Retirement Trust button. Otherwise, you can use the search option to select your default fund. Let's say I have Australian Super as my default fund. After selecting your default fund, click on Next. In the final step, you will need to accept the terms and conditions. Take a moment to review the details, and then if you're satisfied, accept the terms and conditions and click Next to finish. You are now registered with BEAM. Click on Back to Myaccountant button to go back to Myaccountant. Once you're back in Myaccountant, you should see registered status for BEAM. Now you can go ahead and start submitting your super payments via BEAM.